HIKARI H8900-7C Computerized Direct Drive High-Speed Lock-Stitch Sewing Machine. Classic HIKARI Type Computerized Sewing Machine upgrade, speed up and reduce noise, increased sewing efficiency and reduced noise pollution. New control panel technology, adjusting parameters, more efficiency. Oil supply from micro oil take-up level. Oil supply from oil thread, reduce oil pollution. New thread tension device, adjustable parameters. More accurate thread tension with LED light, large surrounded lighting LED light. Clip device reduces the bird nest. Soft start function keeps the stitch stable. Classic HIKARI Type Computerized Lock-Stitch Sewing Machine upgrade. HIKARI H8900-7C Computerized Direct Drive High-Speed Lock-Stitch Sewing Machine. HIKARI, focusing on new technology and automation.